Welcome back. Now, she's no stranger to the Smile Set, and her designs have been featured all over the world. By the way, Mega ask her about that because she just gets some big award. So who better to give us the closet must-haves on International Reggae Day than Mama Yashi? Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back.
Give thanks. Thanks for having me.
Oh, wonderful. I notice you're always cloaked in wonderful pieces. And I know that you just recently got an award. You're just coming back fresh off the plane. So tell us a little bit about the award that you won.
Thank you. I won the 2017 Award of Excellence from the Caribbean Style and Culture team. They're based in DC. And it was an amazing experience. We linked with designers from all over the Caribbean, Trinidad, Guyana, St. Kitts. I mean, it was really cool. I represented Jamaica.
And of course, you took it home for us, right?
Yeah.
Very grateful.
Along with the Rev Jewelry Design. So we collaborated together, Team Jamaica, Brand Jamaica, we did it. So
Lovely.
give thanks.
I love that. You know, I love having us represented well. I know that you do a lot of collections, and this one has a very, very, very important name. What's the name that you use, and what does it signify, and where did the inspiration for it come?
So this year, 2017, I released the Egun collection. Egun is a West African word, a Yoruba word, which means ancestor. So this collection is a tribute to our West African ancestors, who we often overlook. Even in the rest of culture, we highlight a lot of the East African, Ethiopian ancestral heritage, and we sometimes overlook our West African or blood ancestors. So this collection, I wanted to honor them.
Dedicate it to them.
Yes, definitely. And I did some research and just kind of highlight some of our spiritual heritage and the different aspects of ourselves that we'd like to highlight as Caribbean people.
You have this collection that's dedicated to the ancestors, and you have some pieces to show. So the first person we have will be...
we're going to welcome Shanique. Yes. Shanique.
And just describe what she's wearing for us.
She's wearing a tube dress called Simbi.
Simbi.
Simbi, from the collection. And she's also wearing a bangle clutch called Aki, representing our Jamaican culture. And she is also wearing our special International Reggae Day loop scarf, which I have one for you to
try on, like 10 different ways.
Later I'm going to show you. So she's wearing 3 pieces.
And this is just coordinated however you feel like doing it, because it's to show off.
Yeah, your personal creativity, your personal style. You know what I mean? How you feel from day to day. You can express yourself.
And the jewelry is from?
It's my jewelry, no, from
I thought it was from Rev, so that we could have.
Well, no, some of it I did get from Rev. But,
very nice. Who do we have next?
And next we have Ren. And she's wearing a very popular design from the collection called Creation.
Creation.
Yeah,
why that got that name?
This just because it has a picture of Haile Selassie on it, and it just brings up the emotion of that swirling moment of something brand new. I don't know.
I get you. I feel you.
So it's an honor to that experience.
And is there a specific reason why you used Haile Selassie as opposed to one of the ancestors who were female?
No. As opposed to female, I don't do it one or the other. You know what I mean? So I highlight female ancestors and male ancestors. But for this dress, for the significance of it, I felt like Haile Selassie really represented, that spiritual connection to that.
And the last model we have is?
And then we have Davisa. Davisa is wearing a dress called Hummingbird. And also a loop scarf, sorry, not loop scarf, bangle, waist bag, too many pieces. She's wearing a double pouch waist bag along with her her dress. This dress, you can throw it over, it could be beach wear, it could be formal wear, it could be evening wear, depending on what we're under it, how you dressed it up.
Right.
It could be loose and flowing without the bag.
Or you can waist it and give it a waist with a belt or the bag. Well, I know you have the scarf here and we don't have much time left, so if you want, you can just show me how to wrap it one time.
Okay.
And we can,
Yeah. So, Shanique has it one way, where she has it around her head. I'm going to show you.
Wait, let me get up. All right,
how to wear it the other way really quickly. So you can wear it kind of like a belt.
Yeah.
So you tie it around your waist.
And then around my neck.
And then around your neck.
Man.
And then you have a brand new outfit. Just
Look
like
at
this.
that. Hi. As a matter of fact, if I was daring,
Yeah, no, you can keep
stretch
it.
it and see
You can wear it over your swimsuit too. So it's like a cover up.
Wait, no. I have to be a part of the muggles. You can't expect me to look like my Havana things and those kind of things.
All right, go ahead.
Guys,
Represent.
Mama, yeah, she stopped by and I'm joining the muggers. You have to stand up and stand up.
Oh, you look so good.
All right, guys, we're going for a break. We'll be right back. Hold my foot. Wait, no.